Hey everyone, what's up? So today we're going to break down what to do if your iPhone 17 software update isn't working. You'd probably want to fix this quickly right here because updates bring in new features, security patches, and performance boosts. Anyways, let's go ahead and make it work step by step. What you're going to want to do first is check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If it's weak or keeps dropping, your update might fail halfway. You can go ahead and switch to another Wi-Fi or restart your router to make that if that helps. Next, make sure your iPhone has adequate battery. You gotta have at least 50% charge or plug it into power before updating. If your battery is low, the update won't even start. Now, open Settings, tap on General, and then Software Update. If it's showing Update Failed or Unable to Verify, you can call on a quick fix by restarting your iPhone. Press and release Volume Up, then volume down, and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Wow, over here it already helps most users. If it still doesn't work, go after resetting your network settings. Open Settings again, tap General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. That's going to clear Wi-Fi and VPN configurations, so make sure you know your passwords. Oh, great tip right here. You can also update your iPhone through a MacBook or PC if the over-the-air update keeps failing. Just connect your iPhone using a Lightning or USB-C cable. Open Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows, and click Check for Update. It'll download the latest iOS file and install it directly. That's the most reliable method if Wi-Fi updates don't go through. If you still can't make up the update, go ahead and look for any storage issue. Open Settings, tap General, and then iPhone Storage. Delete a few unused apps or videos to free up some space. Sometimes your iPhone's gotta have enough storage before it can unpack and install the update properly. Okay, another bright move you can try is switching off VPN or low power mode before starting the update. These can interrupt the download process or block Apple's servers. Anyways, after doing all that, try running the update again. It should install smoothly. Keep your iPhone connected to power and don't touch anything until it restarts on its own. If none of these work, you can demand a little help from Apple support or visit a nearby Apple store. They'll bring in diagnostic tools and fix it fast. And yeah, that's how you can fix iPhone 17 software update not working. If you have any other questions or you'd like more help with update errors, drop them in the comments and I'll help you out ahead. Okay, that's all for now. See you in the next one.